Hi, welcome to the Keith Bryant Show, live on the floor at Apex Expo 2026. And I'm here with Juan from Viscom, and we're going to talk AXI, new things that are happening, and how AI is improving their products even more. So, welcome, sir.
Hi, Keith. Thanks for having me.
I guess that was the first question. Tell us what's new.
New? Well, we're quite busy. First day of the show is quite interesting to see everybody coming back out. But here at Viscom today, we're obviously with our flagship systems for AXI inline and our new tools that improve for quick programming, obviously utilizing AI, which is what the buzzword for the market is. And quite a lot of activity at the booth. That's good to see all the customers coming in, interesting, wanting to use AXI to improve the process, especially aerospace and military customers for some reason. Obviously the situations globally are affecting that, which is a good thing to have, I guess, in our business.
Yeah, I mean, historically with AXI, there's always been a problem of the speed of the machine keeping up with the speed of the line, but I guess you've got new technology that's overcoming that kind of stuff.
Indeed, that's a necessity in all the processes, how quickly you can get a program optimized and running. So that is something that I think we have one of the best tools out in the market to do that. And we've had very good reaction in this morning at the show so far.
And what about real-time inspection time actually as part of the line?
That is obviously part of the hardware, not just the software, but optimization of AXI systems, using larger flat panel detectors on our systems allow us to do much quicker inspections than most out there. Very high resolution on the new detectors. So we're using a detector that can be utilized at longer lifetime, so that's also affecting the decision making there. So return on investment will be better if you pick one of our systems. So again, quite positive reaction in general.
Yeah. And obviously, I guess AI is helping you with programming, but is it also helping with false calls and all the other issues that people historically have suffered?
That is key. I mean, the idea of using AI at every level, not just in the quick programming, but the optimization and to reduce false calls out there, that is primordial. So I think that's the focus, and we can do it much quicker. Everybody is competing for that realm because it's utilizing do more with less resources, right? So.
Yeah, and more companies now are being driven by their customers for 100% inspection, and obviously inline X-ray is the main driver behind that for sort of let's say the full inspection test. So obviously with aerospace and military and the more demanding stuff, I guess your market is growing.
It is indeed. I mean, that is a requirement. One-time use products need to be inspected 100% before they're launched, let's say. So that is something that we strive. Our customers are looking for Viscom because of that.
Yeah, it was always a joke in the industry. It only has to work once, but it has to work.
That indeed, yes.
Yeah, and that includes stuff that you're launching into space as well, I guess.
So yeah, we're a variety experience. Obviously, automotive experience brings a lot to that, but in space and in military, that is something that's primordial right now, mission critical. So.
And are you seeing a sort of demand from your customers to integrate your machines into a smart factory situation?
Always, that is part of traceability. The customer must know where every step of the process took place, so that's something we've always integrated into every MES, be it that it's off the shelf or we have to do a homebrew integration. So that's something we're quite flexible in doing to make sure that we can trace the entire process.
And what about analyzing of faults and failures and false calls using AI so that you can find the root cause a bit faster?
Indeed, yeah, AI and also interconnectivity between the same platform. So if you're using our own AOI or SPI, we can communicate into the three systems that utilize more robust data at the end of the line for better either operator classification or have the AI do it for you. So that's what everybody's looking for.
Well, thank you for that. I think you've explained why you're so busy at the show.
Indeed. I have to get back to the booth, so thanks for having me.
No problem. That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, with Juan from Viscom, finishing off at Apex.
Why do something 3 times when you can do it only once? Using N1 Pass technology, BTU's new Profile Tracer is a next-generation thermal profiling tool, providing real-time data acquisition for oven optimization. It identifies inconsistencies due to temperature variables at both the product level and the heat source. Profile Tracer measures dual temperature locations as well as vibration, all in one pass, giving you time to attend the more important things in life.